Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as usual, it is Monday and I'm back with a new short and sweet video. Today, let's know something about formwork. First of all, why I have chosen this topic today. Formwork serves as a mold for concrete structural components. Proper making of formwork decides accuracy to size, strength and surface finish of concrete components. And if the formwork is improperly made, it will break when concrete is placed. It will result in heavy material damage. And in the worst case, it may cause serious injuries to persons. So, without wasting much more time, let's understand what exactly formwork is. Formwork can be termed as temporary supporting structures. And these supporting structures are required in building construction for supporting the laying of concrete till it gets matured. Till it gets matured in the sense till the concrete gets stiff, till the concrete gains its strength, these supporting structures are very necessary. The next question that arises in our mind is, once if we provide this formwork, when to remove this formwork or when the removal process of formwork is carried out. After how many days, after how many hours do we have to remove this formwork? So this also has a minimum period for the removal of formwork. If you want to check it on your own, it is mentioned on page number 25, clause number 11.3.1. There is a table mentioned in IS 456. Okay, so this type of table you can find on page number 25. Let's understand this table well because it contains good information about the removal of the formwork. First type of formwork that is mentioned in the table, that is vertical formwork for columns, walls and beams. What is the time period given? 16 to 24 hours. So after 16 to 24 hours, we can remove the formwork. Which formwork? Vertical formwork to columns, walls and beams. So let's see a picture of vertical formwork so you understand well. Yes, so here you can see this is a vertical formwork. And after 16 to 24 hours, we can remove this formwork. Okay, so the next type of formwork which you can see in the table is formwork to slab. It can be removed after 3 days. So let's have a look on formwork to slabs. Okay, so in this picture you can see the formwork that is provided to slab. And yes, it can be removed after 3 days. The next type of formwork is formwork to beams. First we saw formwork to slab, then next is formwork to beams. It can be removed after 7 days. Okay, so in this picture you can see a beam formwork. You can see that all the dimensions are properly mentioned. You can refer to it in detail, and one is simple beam and one is the typical beam formwork. Now the next two types of formwork which we are going to refer is props to slab and props to beam and arches. First of all, let's understand what are props. Props are the vertical bamboo-like structures. If you have seen any beam getting casted or a slab getting casted, the vertical bamboo-like structures which are provided to support the formworks are known as props. In this image you can see the vertical structures. Yes, these are props. Props to slab. If the spanning is up to 4.5 meters, the formwork should be removed after 7 days. If the spanning is greater than 4.5 meters, the formwork should be removed after 14 days. For props to beams and arches, if the spanning is up to 6 meters, the formwork should be removed after 14 days, and if the spanning is more than 6 meters, the formwork should be removed after 21 days. So these are all the minimum period of time that we as civil engineers should remember before striking off of the formwork. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next video, and if you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.